Got them flywheels off right yonder. Come off there pretty good. Now this is another day. Got all the parts put up on the other engine. And this one right here, the problem is the piston is stuck in the cylinder to the point where the crankshaft is too close right here, and you can't get a wrench. The position of that rod cap right there in those bolts, you can't get them nuts off. So in order to get that crankshaft out of there, the piston out, so we can get it free from the block, we're going to take the side covers off. Let's get it done. Kinda, you know, it's a windy day here on the east coast of Arkansas. They say we're going to get some of that other kind of weather. It's fall. Let's get that off of there. And the reason you want to take these off is to use the socket there, you can't get onto that one down there. They got to come off anyway. We got shims, we got, now see right there, I tell you what, immediately, this is not good. And I do a lot of times say if these old engines could talk, what would they say? Right here's a perfect example. Right there is that really thick one, and 3 thin ones, I'm going to say 15 thousandths each. On this side over here, you've got 2 of the really, really thick and 1 thin. And we've got a thick one and about 4 thin ones. On that side we got a thick one and about 3 thin ones. And as always, they turned inside. So, can we hold that with that wrench yonder? Oh yeah. End washer. Oh. And can we get yeah, it's a 1/2 inch, 9/16 square head on the inside. really, really good. That's a very deep groove in there. And there's a shim that's, well, it's cut half away. Nice gear. 2 timing marks marked right there. And on the spark plug model engine, you can't get this bolt out with the cylinder sleeve in there. So just be aware of that. Now that this is free to move around, I can get them out of there. And you only want to get on the locking part, the castellated one. Get that out of there. And get the other one. Save all nuts and bolts. Just get that one. I didn't get that car, I couldn't get to it earlier. We got it. Once it come loose, it was alright. Get that rod cap up out of there. Oh, we got a bunch of shims on that one. But like I say, them caps, them bearings looks really, really like new. Save all shims. And we got us a crankshaft. And it's the normal with the high place right in the center to confirm to that grease groove in the babbitt bearing. Feels good on both sides. And now on this one right here, even though the piston stuck, it's sticking out of the cylinder sleeve itself about 1 inch. So I think this will be a really easy one to knock that piston out. We'll see. We'll try this big hammer. Just go all the way up, make it easy. Oh, I forgot something. We'll put that spacer block down in there to protect that piston. Let's just see. Well, it's solid. Get a piece of metal. Piece of 2-inch pipe. We'll put right in there. Straight, solid, no angle to it at all, and we'll see can we move that. And it did move, I think. It felt like it. Little piece of that bearing right there, the other half of it looks good. I don't know. Solid does it. If it takes any more than this right here, then we'll get that port apart to it. Oh, it's coming. Now you want to keep that rod at a free angle. One piston, good heavy duty bar, and to show you, piston, and this good block that fits exactly. We've talked about this before, but that block fits. The complete is just a few thousandths where that will go down in the cylinder sleeve, and it puts the pressure on the outside of that piston. But now you can see there, probably, maybe, I'm not sure, but it looks really clean in there, really clean, looks really good. The rings, 3 of them, it being a spark plug model, And this is the oil hole in the top. Wristband goes yonder, just irregular, and just a preliminary. Very little play on that, but we do have that side play. Looks good. We'll be able to save that. And right there is the reason that. And you know, I've seen this before, but I don't do it. That's the reason that I had to knock that out of there. If someone has put a little dab of weld right there, just a very small spot, and I did, it just broke right away. Let's see that other one. It came right out, so it don't have it on the other side. For some reason they spotted that one there, I guess, to make it easy to install. So we'll clean that up in that electrolysis, get them rings free. Three rings and a spark plug. I believe that'll be a good service for piston. But it was in the cylinder sleeve, and there was, you can't see it, but it was 1 inch of it was sticking out the back of the sleeve. So that means about 5 inches of that was in that cylinder. Now, I did soak it down a few days ago with some diesel fuel, and we'll clean that up and see what we got. And this is pretty much all. That was, and I'll get this cylinder sleeve out. As normal, the cylinder sleeve, I'll put the standoffs on it, put it in the press, and press that out. But you know, and I'll say this is the Canadian engine, and so like I say, I'm marking all the parts on this engine, and at a later date, I will rebuild this one. I didn't look up the year model on it yet. I think it's a later model.